Imagine standing on a lonely shore, the wind cool against your face, casting a message in a bottle into a vast, dark ocean, hoping that, against all odds, someone, somewhere, might one day find it and understand your story. Voyager 2 is humanity's message in a bottle, launched in 1977, not across water but into the endless, uncharted ocean of interstellar space, carrying with it the hopes, dreams, and curiosity of an entire planet. For nearly half a century, this small, resilient spacecraft has been our eyes and ears in the farthest reaches of the solar system and beyond, venturing where no human or machine had ever gone before. Built with technology that now seems almost ancient, Voyager 2 continues to push the boundaries of human knowledge, defying the odds and outlasting expectations with every passing year. Its journey is a saga of discovery, revealing the majestic and sometimes violent nature of our cosmic neighborhood, unveiling storms on Jupiter, the rings of Saturn, and the mysteries of the outer planets. Voyager 2 is more than a machine, it's an extension of our senses, reaching out to touch the universe, to listen for its secrets, and to send our greeting into the unknown. As of June 2025, it's over 12 billion miles away, a distance so vast that a radio signal, traveling at the speed of light, takes more than 18 hours to reach it, and just as long to return. Every faint whisper from the craft is a precious gift from the void, a conversation across time and space, a fragile thread connecting us to the edge of the unknown. This story is about a hidden transmission, an unexpected signal that rewrote our understanding of the solar system's final frontier and challenged what we thought we knew. Voyager 2's journey through the edge of the sun's influence revealed a universe far more complex, mysterious, and dynamic than we ever imagined, full of surprises waiting to be discovered. It's a story of resilience, revelation, and the unending quest to understand our place in the cosmos, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to reach for the stars. Voyager 2's mission was made possible by a rare planetary alignment that happens only once every 176 years. The outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, were perfectly arranged, allowing a single spacecraft to visit them all using gravity assists. Voyager 2's cameras revealed Jupiter's Great Red Spot as a colossal storm and discovered volcanic activity on Io. At Saturn, it unveiled the complexity of the rings and glimpsed the mysterious moon Titan. Voyager 2 became the first and only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune, revealing their unique features and discovering new moons and rings. With its grand tour complete, Voyager 2 sailed onward, its trajectory now aimed at the stars. The mission transformed distant points of light into vibrant, complex worlds. After Neptune, Voyager 2 journeyed into the Helios sheath, the sun's outer bubble. Scientists waited for it to cross the boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. On September 1, 2007, Voyager 2 sent back data that was nothing short of a revelation. The transmission contained measurements of plasma, magnetic fields, and energetic particles, raw truth from the frontier. As it crossed the termination shock, Voyager 2 recorded jolts and fluctuations that defied all previous models. The edge of our solar system wasn't a simple line, it was turbulent and dynamic. Voyager 2 crossed the shock multiple times, revealing a boundary that ripples and shifts. This pivotal moment forced scientists to update their textbooks and rethink the solar system's edge. Voyager 2 had sent back a postcard from the edge, a picture of beautiful chaos. To grasp Voyager 2's discovery, we need to understand the termination shock. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles, the solar wind, creating a protective bubble called the heliosphere. This bubble shields us from harsh interstellar radiation. Far from the sun, the solar wind meets the interstellar medium and abruptly slows from supersonic to subsonic speeds. This violent slowdown creates a shock wave, the termination shock. It marks the first major boundary of our solar system where the sun's influence fades. Scientists once imagined this boundary as a smooth, uniform edge. They expected the solar wind to slow gracefully as it crossed. But space is rarely so tidy. Voyager 2 was our first direct messenger from this region. The reality it revealed was far stranger and more exciting than anyone had anticipated. The termination shock is a cosmic laboratory, where the sun's plasma collides with the galaxies. Voyager 2's data shattered expectations of a neat boundary at the solar system's edge. Instead, it found a turbulent, porous, and surprisingly weak frontier. The shock was cooler and less dramatic than predicted, more like shifting currents than a solid wall. The boundary was layered and dynamic, moving back and forth over the spacecraft. The heliosphere itself might be dented and irregular, shaped by interstellar magnetic fields. The termination shock acts as a cosmic particle accelerator, energizing particles to incredible speeds. Voyager 2's findings forced us to rethink the heliosphere as a living, complex ecosystem. Even in our own backyard, the universe holds surprises that challenge our deepest assumptions. Communicating with Voyager 2, billions of miles away, is a technological marvel. Its radio transmitter is just 23 watts, like a refrigerator bulb. Yet its signal reaches Earth. The spacecraft's high-gain antenna focuses this faint signal in a narrow beam aimed precisely at our planet. Even a tiny misalignment could sever contact. On Earth, NASA's Deep Space Network, giant radio dishes in California, Spain, and Australia, acts as enormous ears, straining to catch Voyager's whispers. These antennas are among the most sensitive ever built, detecting signals billions of times weaker than a watch battery. Sophisticated computers filter out cosmic noise and reconstruct the data, using error correction codes to ensure the message arrives intact. This combination of focused transmission, massive receivers, and clever computing keeps us linked to our distant emissary. It's a fragile, vital connection, one that spans the solar system. Voyager 2's voice, though faint, continues to reach us across the void. Attached to Voyager 2 is a unique message, the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc carefully mounted to the spacecraft's side. It's not just a piece of hardware, but a vessel for our collective voice, carrying the sounds and sights of Earth far beyond our solar system. It's a time capsule, a greeting card to the cosmos, created under Carl Sagan's guidance. Scientists, artists, and thinkers from around the world collaborated, hoping to capture the essence of our planet and its people. The record contains 115 images and a rich collection of sounds, nature, human life, greetings in 55 languages, and music from around the world. It's a mosaic of our existence, from the laughter of children to the crash of ocean waves. From Bach to Chuck Berry, from Peruvian wedding songs to Javanese gamelan, it's a playlist for the universe. Each track was chosen to reflect the diversity and creativity of human culture, a celebration of our shared heritage. The hope was that music and images might communicate the essence of humanity to any who find it. It's an invitation, a gesture of friendship, extended across the vastness of space and time. The Golden Record is a gesture of optimism, knowing Voyager won't reach another star for 40,000 years. It's a message sent with no guarantee of reply, but with faith in the possibility of connection. The odds of it being found are tiny, but its importance is undiminished. It stands as a testament to our curiosity and our longing to be understood. It represents our hope, our desire to connect, and our willingness to reach out into the unknown. The Golden Record is a symbol of unity, a reminder that we are all travelers on the same small world. On a small blue planet, a species arose that dared to send its story to the stars. We chose to share our dreams, our music, and our memories with the cosmos. The Golden Record is a symbol of our cosmic loneliness and our hope not to be alone. It's a beacon, quietly traveling through the darkness, carrying our message of peace. It's humanity's greeting to the universe, a testament to our imagination and a promise that we will always reach for the stars. In July 2023, Voyager 2 went unexpectedly silent after a command error caused its antenna to shift just 2 degrees, enough to lose contact across the unimaginable distance of 12 billion miles from Earth. Suddenly, a spacecraft that had been faithfully sending signals for decades was lost in the void. The steady stream of data ceased, and mission controllers were left in the dark, unable to communicate or receive updates. The silence was unsettling, and the team could only imagine what was happening to their distant explorer. The team tried to re-establish contact, sending powerful signals with the Deep Space Network's massive dishes, but there was no response. Every attempt was met with silence, and the uncertainty grew with each passing day. Fortunately, Voyager's design included a fail-safe, an autonomous routine to reset its antenna orientation, but the next reset wasn't due until October. That meant months of anxious waiting, with no guarantee of success. Refusing to give up, controllers sent an interstellar shout toward Voyager's location. They crafted a special command, hoping against hope that the faintest signal might reach the probe and trigger a response. In early August, the Canberra antenna detected a faint carrier signal. The spacecraft was alive. That tiny whisper from the edge of the solar system brought a surge of hope to the team. Encouraged, they sent a new command to reorient the antenna, and it worked. Against the odds, Voyager responded, slowly turning its antenna back toward Earth. On August 4, 2023, full communication was restored. Cheers erupted in mission control as data once again flowed from the distant probe. The brief silence was a stark reminder of how fragile our connection is to these far-flung explorers, and how easily it can be lost. Its recovery was a testament to the resilience of both the spacecraft and its human team, who refused to give up even when hope seemed slim. Even after decades, Voyager 2's journey continues to inspire awe, reminding us of the power of curiosity and the spirit of exploration. The mission's survival is a triumph of engineering and perseverance. A story of human ingenuity reaching across the cosmos to keep our distant ambassador alive. Voyager 2 is more than a mission. It's our first real step into the galaxy beyond. Its images and discoveries have transformed our understanding of the solar system, turning distant worlds into places of wonder. Its findings at the termination shock fundamentally altered our models of the heliosphere. Now, as it travels through interstellar space, it's our only direct probe of the medium between the stars. Every day, it pushes the frontier of knowledge further. The Voyager mission was an act of generational thinking, requiring patience, foresight, and a commitment to discovery. As its power fades, Voyager 2 will drift through the Milky Way for thousands of years, a silent ambassador from Earth. It's a testament to our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our enduring desire to reach for eternity.